And yeah, mm, it's streaming now, which is superb. And now some things are going to be noted, some things are going to be posted and stuff on the way. So let stream go well and stuff and stuff. So yeah, we'll definitely have the charge here. Ensure it is going to be on charge and how to other things as well. Yeah. Things for some period and then people thinking happens about yeah, but how much you can post, how much is what to post, and how much you can cover, what it's not. So, yeah, like, streaming is this way, but that people going to be sitting down. The person is going to keep a note of one or two of the things, then it should not result in any you cover something, you post some things, and then it is going to be like, yeah, so that's so one got to be clear with that, and then we can get to the next part, the next sort of things and stuff. Hmm? Yes. Yeah. So, so yes. So other than photo that's the how it's supposed to be. It's coming, yeah, it's going, yeah, the things and stuff. Because the things that are going to be put may sometimes may not be put again. Right? That depends. So there's a need to be sure that it's going well, stream is going, yeah. And what about the charts? If the chart is also going well, yeah. And what about in case if we have to cover something else and stuff? Yes, it's going well. Yes, it's going well. And so once it's going to be pretty clear with those things, then it is feasible to cover the things and post the things and stuff. So there are a lot of things on the way, and just be sure. And then it is we can keep a view of a lot of things and stuff. So other thing is also that we have some items you can make it because once you make it and post it, it's on string. Some stuff or task is going to be made on string. if it is made on stream, yeah, there's a need to be sure that the stream that has been done is going to store. Mhm. Is going to store. So just checking those things, and once it's at least up to some level, it's clear. Then we can. It's feasible to cover some of the things and some of the concepts and stuff. Yes, based on the courses. So to some level, we can post it and get it done. So because once a certain a task is done on stream and that part is shifted, then the device is already made. See, sample is some sort of some device, something is made, maybe not this, something like something is made. Note, and then it's feasible to cover the sort of things and stuff. So looking for a little bit of this is ready, this is ready, this is done, and have some one or two paper in case if there's a need to write on paper and be sure and yeah, then we can cover more things on the way and more fun on the way. Yeah. So tiga iron the iron sorry tiga yeah, yeah, I hope it's not a Yes, it's going well. Now, yeah, it's good, but we have to check it like on screen, a little bit of some jump or some things is there. It's a bit clear. Yeah. Mhm. So it's just like, yeah, it's doing well. The bird, so it's fun part, but yeah, it's a fun part, but the bird really like the bird. You can hear the bird is like, yeah, you can't stop like, it's confirmed. No, it's only fun part. I should have fun. Is it? Yes. So, yeah, it's one more setup is also done now. Yeah, okay, it's done now. This is done. This is done. So, looking to for more things and more stuff and be clear in the words that are going to be said. Now, how do you confirm that it's the stream is coming? Do we have one more net here? We have one more net here with that net. We have to start here. It's coming. But but I hope any some things is going to be checked on account of some uh, like an audio part. I hope it is not going to result in any part. Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. Some things are on the way to be, yeah, yeah. So once it's clear, can post it and cover it. So a lot of things like there is a need. We have some sort of filament here saying that some task. Yeah. Okay. That's super. That's super. Yeah. More things. It is to be noted that once the now we have one words. It's not about the words. There is a paper that is going to be done on straight paper, maybe a paper. So for that, there's a one. We have paper here, paper in the sense a new task which can be um, posted. Uh, so yeah, the check and post it because there are some things you have to set up. The net is high speed. Okay, this is high. It's going. You have to just be sure we have one more. Have to confirm on this lab here. We have a lab here, so just to be sure that uh, it's going well, and then it's feasible to cover more things, but not just more things, a lot of things. So let the voice be clear and the words be clear, and not just this. There is a huge task that is going to be on the way. So for that to be the case, it needs to be noted that uh, you have now we have, yeah, that is super, that is super. So it may appear like in just a 2 second it reached uh, an amount of uh, 400 views. So it can reach an amount of uh, million views in a matter of a period. So it needs to be clear saying that the task that is going to be done. There's a paper to write it in case for some point some words are hardly clear. So there is a proof is there. It is not just what the person is going to say. It is also a point that what is being said is being proved. It's a part of the class, and yeah, it is going to be superb on the way. Yes, yes, it is going to be superb on the way. So, a lot of things to be sure that you have some things that can be shown. That is Um, there's a device for some point. Yeah. So we just check it, and there's a device here, so that it is going to be sure that what the words have been said. It's not just that it is being said, it is also a point that it is going to be valued. So, um, um, a sort of an cam is here, a sort of an cam is here, just to be sure that this cam is going to be put on the top floor. Point is, point is because lot of task is there. Once it is going to be clear, clear in the sense, um, like now it's about electronics. The word is hmm, hmm, yeah, electronics. So in that case, what are these parts? How much can be done? What is the present point? This is a camp which is going to keep a view of the things and the tasks. So shall we getting now in a period some things to post, some things to go by and things, and let's be clear. I hope the stream is going to go pretty well. Once it's going to be clear, it is feasible to cover a lot of things. It is also about how you write the um, programs. What about the Python? What about the post process as well? It is going to be noted, and it is going to be put. What is um, um, a design? You can say a lot of things, but the point is that it can be shown. Better point is it is shown. Say sample. Sample uh, is that um, what you say or what is said. It's better put here. Here in the sense when words are said, it is going to write it. In case for some point the words are added here. This is just a sample, and then you have other parts. Other in the sense about the um, making of a newer device, which may appear new device. Yeah, it may appear new device, but once it is going to be clear, it's going to be super. Saying that what is the device, how many parts, um, and how well. Um, ah, and so these things are also going to be put. How it is made. It is made, and it is going. It is good. It is built on stream. So looking for more fun and more things. It is superb to see so much fun on the way. Yes, yes, it's super to see so much fun on the way, and a little bit of some a little task is there. In the matter of minute, you'll be back. So there's a device just to be sure how much parts are there. Um, we have um, a set of parts saying this is um, wired part, yeah, and there's a LED strip. What is this? What is its impact? What can be made? And the things can be noted in a matter of period. It may take a little bit of period, some setup and things, and it's going to be clear. So yeah, it's superb. It's superb. What is this diode? How many parts are there? How it's going to go by, and other sort of things are also going to be put on stream. So right now, a little bit of little task is there in a matter of spirit, and shall cover the other things. What is this motor? So it's not just about class saying things. It is also a point of showing it, and not just a point of showing it. It is also a point of proving it. Doing in the sense when you take a little bit of motor and put it, it is going to go well. So it's superb. It is one of the best of a thing that so much views are there and stuff in a matter of period, in a matter of a period. So the point goes a lot of things on the way in a matter of period will be on stream. So a lot of other parts are also here can be posted just on the way. So um, in just uh, 5 or 10, in just a matter, it reached more than 1,000, more than a lot of views. So let the words be clear and things and on the way, which will be just back on the way. Yeah, hoping for more fun. Yeah. Uh, the place like Bangalore, and yeah, the place you're from, it's from Bangalore, from India. Yes, it needs to be clear. And the pin number is +91. +91 is the pin number in case if it's hardly clear. I hope it's going to be clear. Yeah, in a matter of spirit. Yes, one day we'll be back in a matter of spirit. There's a little bit of some task. Yeah. Yeah. Saying that it takes a spirit for a person. Yeah, yeah, 1 minute in the macro. So, um, yeah, more stuff on the way. So, I on the way, it needs to be clear, saying that, yeah, needs to be clear, saying that the things that are going to be done here, the things that are going to be done, and not just done, but also going to be posted. So, lot of things to post on the way, and one point that is going to be noted is about the task that is going to be done. So, here you have, it needs to be clear in a way that what is being posted, and the stuff that is the it, point is there are a lot of things on the way to post it, and yeah, and it needs to be pretty clear in a way of what is being unloaded. Yes, yes. So much is in yes. So, how one service here with which when a person is going to say, it is going to be clear that it is going to be noted. Point is, it is going to keep a note of the things what is being said. It's not just the point that when a certain word is being said, it's going to just keep a note. It is also a point that what is being said is also going to be put on screen, and it needs to be clear with that. So, in such a way, there are a lot of things that are going to be put and that are going to be noted. For that, the point that can be uh, on screen is also the part of a paper. Right now, it may appear a one word or a word and a word, but what if this itself turns out to be a paper? Paper, in the sense, close to a patent, close to that. So for that, the word needs to be pretty clear, and it needs to be clear and concise as well. Yes, maybe. So there are a lot of things coming on the way. It's not just a point. For some point, it got enough views and enough things, but it's also the point that um, what is being said, it's being clear, it is being posted, and it's being shown, and it's also going to be proved. So it may take some period to post the things, cover it, and write it on a paper and stuff. It may take some period, but looking for more fun and more things. I hope the stream is going to go well and stuff. Once it is clear, then that's enough to reach out to a lot of things and stuff. Yep, yep. So right now it's doing well. It's going well. This is going well. This is going. You have some enough contact here, saying that hi, 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 hi. Yeah, hi, yeah. It's super. It's super. So you can get to that, but first you have enough items and things to say, and you have proper net things. And once it's clear, it is feasible to get directly to a lot of things and a lot of tasks in a period. So for that, um, you have um, some designs and some stuff, which itself is enough to reach out to a pretty high scale. It may appear like you can reach out to some level. It is not just a point. A person may reach out to some level if the class that is going to be noted or taken is pretty clear, concise, and stuff. Then it is, and you have on stream making. That's a device. On the way, um, it is also going to be proved. Sample is, it's not just that you have filament or something. It is going to be proved, saying that how does it go by, what are its parts, how much part does it have, and that's enough to reach out to the pretty higher scale and at a pretty higher level and stuff. So looking for more fun, more things coming on the way. It's not just a point you can just post it and get the things and stuff and stuff. So it's also a point key how much you can cover, what are all the set of things that the person can cover, and in case for some point if the stream is hardly going to store, there's a need of at least some process which is going to ensure that the words are being clear and at least they are going to be clear. Yes, in such a case, let that it be clear and they can put a lot of things and a lot of parts in a matter of spirit and opting for um, more task, which is going to result in a proof on the way. That's a point and stuff. Yeah. Hmm. So